Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about 5 stocks that have a lot of potential upside and growth. Make sure you stick to the end of the video for my opinion on these stocks. First stock is Shopify, ticker symbol SHOP. So Shopify is big in the e-commerce space, and they help a lot of the small businesses get their online presence up and running. Current price is $878 per share. Past year, up 171%. As you can see, a lot of growth ever since early April, end of March. Past 5 years, up 2,478%. So Shopify market cap is of $103 billion. P ratio doesn't seem to exist because they're not profitable, or at least I don't think this is accurate. Dividend yield is 0, which means they're reinvesting all profits back into growth. And there's definitely a lot of potential upside for Shopify. And as I mentioned, Shopify is a cloud-based commerce platform designed for small and medium-sized businesses. And they have recently partnered with Walmart Marketplace to help a lot of the small businesses set up their shop on Walmart's online platform, similar to Amazon, helping a lot of small businesses set up their platform with their tools. And I see Shopify's partnership with Walmart helping Shopify grow even more because there's a lot of customers that come to Walmart, and with Shopify helping some of these small businesses set up their shop on Walmart, then it'll bring a lot of traffic to Shopify's tools and Walmart's platform. Next is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. So Tesla, of course, it's an electric car company, currently priced at $991 per share. Past year, up 344%, and as you can see, it surged ever since end of March. Past 5 years, up 297%. So Tesla is one of those electric car companies that have a lot of recognition, a strong brand, and they continue to have more cars bought. They're one of the most high volume electric vehicles bought, and even people, when they don't see the car or test drive, they still admire the car. Market cap is $185 billion. P ratio doesn't exist because they're not profitable, and dividend yield is 0, which means they're reinvesting all profits back into growth. So Tesla has not only EVs, but also energy generation and storage systems. So their battery technology is also very solid. So and I think the closest competition to Tesla's cars is, for example, the Porsche model, and also the Nikola. They also recently announced their vehicles, but I don't see Nikola being anything close to Tesla anytime soon because it doesn't have anything on the market coming anytime soon. Versus Tesla, they are one of the leaders in the EV space, and I see them continue to dominate. And also, they're all in the Chinese market, which is huge on EVs. So Tesla, I see them not only chipping away market share in that territory, but also in globally. And as you can see, the stock price definitely reflects that kind of growth. Amazon is the next stock, ticker symbol AMZN. So Amazon currently priced at $26.70 per share. They're in the e-commerce space, and they are also in the cloud computing industry. So Amazon, as you can see, has been surging since mid-March from $1,700 per share up to $26.70. Past 5 years, up 524%. And I feel like ever since recent news, that definitely accelerated the e-commerce space because people don't want to physically go to the store. They'd rather just get it shipped to their home. Market cap is $1.33 trillion, so it's one of the 3 companies in the $1 trillion market cap, similar to Microsoft and Apple. PE ratio is 127, and dividend yield is 0, which means they're reinvesting all profits back into growth. And as you can see, it's the return on investment is very high. And as I mentioned, one of their biggest drivers for growth is Amazon Web Services, and cloud computing is definitely on the rise with everyone needing more computing power. And in terms of e-commerce, they have leadership position in the e-commerce space in the US, and is definitely making presence in other areas of the world. Next is Facebook, ticker symbol FB. So Facebook is a social media company, communication platform. They have products like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Oculus, and they have over 1 billion monthly active users, which is a huge platform. Currently priced at $237 per share. Past year up 23%, and it surged ever since mid to end March, and past 5 years up 194%. Market cap is $680 billion. P ratio is 32, and dividend yield is 0, which means they're reinvesting all profits back into growth. And I think with so many users on their platform, they barely have even tapped into monetizing their platform. So most of their revenue is generated from advertisement, so online ads, very similar to Google. But as they have more payment opportunities like integration with Shopify and their payments, and having a marketplace, as well as potentially having their own cryptocurrency or payment system, I think Facebook will definitely continue to increase their revenue per user. And since they have so many users, I think their revenue will grow in the years to come. Last but not least is Visa, ticker symbol V. It's in the payment processing space, currently priced at $190 per share. Past year, up 9.31%, and it's been surging since end of March. Past 5 years, up 177%. Market cap is $410 billion. P ratio is 35, and dividend yield is 0.6%. So as I mentioned, Visa is in the digital payment service space, and with so many shops and businesses moving online, Visa will definitely benefit from that. And even though it's a more cyclical space in terms of retail and payments, Visa definitely benefit once things reopen. And with so many people trying to buy on credit, Visa benefits from that. So they have a strong network of consumers, merchants, financial institutions, businesses, strategic partners, and government entities that use VisaNet's technology. So Visa definitely benefits from their strong network, and I see them continue to grow their network in the world. So these are the 5 stocks that I think have a lot of growth. That's Shopify, Tesla, Amazon, Facebook, Visa. A lot of them have shown their dominance in the respective space, whether it's e-commerce, electric vehicles, cloud computing, social media, payment processing. They all have a strong presence in the space, and I see that they continue to have a strong potential upside in the years to come. So when there's opportunity to buy, I will definitely start a position or increase my positions in these companies. I have Amazon, Visa, and Facebook, but I don't have Shopify or Tesla. So once there's an opportunity to buy, I will definitely take advantage of that opportunity. That's all for this video. What are your thoughts on these stocks? Comment down below. I'm going to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or a free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.